When you work remotely, you often need to collaborate with your team. Back then, when I worked at a marketing agency, multiple team members would have to log into various different accounts to manage clients' social media, ad campaigns, and sometimes we need to grant back-end access to the clients for their feedback. Doing all of these through screen sharing apps could get cumbersome. But what if you could turn any tool into a secure, collaborative space that's easy to use, requires no installations, lets you manage accounts, and collaborate from anywhere securely? Enter RemoteSpace AI, the fastest online browser that lets you manage multiple accounts and turn any web app into a secure, seamless collaborative environment. They recently reached out to me to try their platform, so let's dive in and see how easy, powerful, and secure it really is. Signing up for RemoteSpace AI is very simple. First, head to the website, click the sign up button, and sign up using your email address or your Google account. Once you're logged in, the system will automatically create a new workspace for you. You can edit the space name, add notes, invite team members to collaborate in this space. To create a new workspace, click New Space and set up a new space for your team in RemoteSpace. Fill in the name section for the space, then click Save, and your new workspace for collaboration with your team members is ready to use. Click the Start icon to start using the workspace. Next, you can easily start logging into the accounts you and your team needs to access for this project under the same workspace. For this example, I'll be logging into Google, ChatGPT, Canva, and Ideogram. And the best part is, I have to log in only once, and the workspace will continue to remember my credentials for future use. Even the team members will get access to all of these accounts without having to download any extra software or logging in. And it will all be done very securely through RemoteSpace AI. Now we'll learn how to invite your team members to your workspace. First, click the Manage button with the gear icon next to the team name on the top left-hand corner. Select Team from the left-hand panel and click Invite Members button. There are 3 secure ways to invite team members to your workspace. You can send the invitation link to your team member's email address, or you can copy the invite link and share it with them directly, or you can invite them by providing the invitation code to access the workspace. Once your team member has signed up successfully on their end, on your side, click the Manage button again and click Edit. On the right-hand panel, choose Add Members next to Permission Management. From the list of members, select your team member, and then from the drop-down menu, you can select the level of permission and click the Add button. Finally, click the Save button to finish adding your team member to the project. In this example, I will collaborate with a team member in creating a social media campaign for a client. Our client ABC is opening a new fashion store targeted towards Gen Z audience in New York City called Urban Z. Our team has been tasked to design a mock-up campaign for their social media channels. In this demo, I'll show you how easy it is to collaborate with a team member to brainstorm ideas on ChatGPT, then create the visual using text-to-image generator AI, and finally, design the ad in Canva. In this example, 2 users are collaborating together on the mock-up design. First, user 1 uses ChatGPT to come up with some ideas for the tagline for the campaign. Next, user 2 modifies the prompt in the same ChatGPT window to get a slightly modified version of the tagline. Then, user 1 creates the visual using Ideogram, and then user 2 takes a look at the visual and decides to modify the prompt to change the overall design a little bit. Then user 1 creates the ad design in Canva, but they're missing the logo, so they turn to user 2 for help. User 2 then uploads the logo to their shared workspace so that user 1 can add the logo for the ad mockup to complete the task. So that's a look at how RemoteSpace can transform your team's workflow. It's all about privacy, efficiency, and a smooth experience for collaboration. Whether you're working on a big campaign or just a better way to manage accounts, RemoteSpace makes it easy and secure. Ready to take it for a spin? Head over to RemoteSpace AI and sign up for a free trial. Get your team on board and experience a whole new level of online collaboration. Thank you guys for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how RemoteSpace could help solve your team's collaboration challenges. See you next time.